Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You're starting now. Sign in with an administrator account so changes apply. Open Start, choose Settings, and go straight to Accounts, then Sign In options. Find the Windows Hello PIN panel, click Remove. You'll be asked to verify your identity, enter your Microsoft or local account password when prompted. This step ensures the system knows it's you and prevents lockout. Once done, the PIN option is queued for removal. Make sure you remember your primary account password before proceeding. Now you confirm identity. Type your account password when Windows asks. This authorizes the change. After verification, click Remove and accept any confirmation dialogues. Windows may prompt for a second confirmation to prevent accidental removal. If your device is tied to a Microsoft account, Windows might also send a verification code to your email or phone. Enter it. Make sure to follow on-screen prompts completely, so the PIN is unbound from both the device and the account. Finish by restarting the PC to ensure the removal takes effect, then test signing in with your regular password. If the PIN still appears, make sure you're an administrator and that Windows update or network issues aren't blocking verification. Sign out, sign back in, and try again. As a troubleshooting tip, if removal fails repeatedly, open Settings, right arrow Accounts, right arrow your info to confirm account type, and temporarily switch to a local admin account to remove or reconfigure.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.